Daily Mail reported on Sunday that loyal members of Chinese Communist Party are working in British consulates, universities which are also running research programs for military-sensitive university subjects and for some of the UK's leading companies. Leaked database of 1.95 million registered party members reveals how Beijing may be infiltrating in every fabric of British life, including defense firms, banks and pharmaceutical giants. As per reports, the database was originally leaked on Telegram app and passed in September by a Chinese dissenter to the Inter-Parliamentary Alliance on China, which comprises more than 150 legislators across the globe. Details reveal that pharmaceutical giants Pfizer and AstraZeneca, both involved in the development of coronavirus vaccines, have employed a total of 123 CCP loyalists. The analysis also revealed that there were more than 600 party members across 19 branches working at the British banks HSBC and Standard Chartered in 2016. The list also reveals 2,909 members working for Costco across 118 branches worldwide. Firms with defense industry interests, including Airbus, Boeing and Rolls-Royce, have also employed hundreds of party members as per the analysis. Among them is a senior official at the British consulate in Shanghai. The list is divided into more than 79,000 branches, many of them affiliated to individual companies or organizations. Besides the names of the members, the database has places, dates of birth, Chinese ethnicity and in some cases addresses and telephone numbers. US security services have been increasingly concerned about the threat of Chinese espionage, given cases of Chinese nationals charged over alleged spying offenses keep surfacing. John Ratcliffe, the US Director of National Security, recently warned that China posed the greatest threat to democracy and freedom since the Second World War and was striving to dominate the planet economically, militarily and technologically. Australia has also revoked visas of 2 Chinese professors in September amid suspicions of espionage for China. While there is no concrete evidence of espionage for China by CCP members, an alliance of 30 MPs said they would be tabling an urgent question about the issue in the Commons. Ian Duncan Smith, the British Conservative Party politician, said, "The government must now move to expel and remove any members of the Communist Party from our consuls throughout China. They can either serve the UK or the Chinese Communist Party. They cannot do both."